to see you again at my channel, and I hope that you are great and everything is okay. And today I'm gonna teach you how to paint this bird using watercolor, like the same, and I think you can use it like a postcard or a little gift for your friends. Anyway, I believe that you will have really enjoy painting that with me. And now take your brush and let's go. Well, guys, before we start, we need to make a pencil drawing. First, let's find a good position for our bird. Look at the picture. I'm drawing the bird not at the center of the sheet of paper, but a little to the right. You can repeat after me, step by step, or come up with your own bird. And of course, I try to show you the easiest way to draw the bird. Just head is a ball and the body is an oval. Then other oval is a tail, and we need to draw wings. We are gonna paint with watercolor, so don't press hard on the pencil, because watercolor is a transparent paint and it's not very good if the pencil lines show through. Connect the lines of the head with the body where the neck is. Then we remove all unnecessary lines, prepare the drawing for work with paints, and draw the beak, eye and paws. Don't make it too big. And the last thing I would like to draw is a big branch on which the bird sits, and maybe a few small branches. Well, now let's move on to paint, and we will start with the bird. The first layer is a gradient from orange to green, and please don't make sharp boundaries between shades. Let the colors mix. Okay, great, we've finished the first layer of the bird, and while it dries, we will make flowers around. For flowers I chose light red and light orange shades, but don't use too much paint, only slightly colored water. Look how I painted.
Now back to the bird. Make a second layer and add details of a more saturated color. Good, guys, we are almost done, and the last thing are branches. And also you can add final tiny details like centers of the flowers or some stuff on the bird using the tip of your brush. And that's all. I was really happy to paint this bird and hope you too, guys. If you like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos, hit the like button and leave comments. See you soon and bye bye!